Good morning, Junior 4. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. I really miss you so much. Please open your main booklet on page 15 and let's start to explain our lesson today, lesson 3, which is called the cell. You know from lesson 1 that the body of living organisms consists of a group of systems, and each system consists of group of organs, and each organ consists of group of tissues, and each tissue consists of group of cells. So the cell, it's the building unit of the living organism's body, or it's the unit of structure and function in living organism. So you have two definitions of the cell: building unit of the living organism's body, or unit of structure and function in living organisms. Now let's know the part of the cell. First of all, you should know that there are two types of cells, which are plant cell and animal cell. The plant cell for the plant body and the animal cell for the animal body. The plant cell consists of 6 main parts, which are cell wall, cell or plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, chloroplast, sap vacuole. And the animal cell consists of only 4 main parts, which are plasma or cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and small vacuoles. You know or you see that the animal cell that doesn't contain the cell wall or chloroplasts. So the plant cell only has animal cell wall and chloroplast. Now let's start to explain the definition and the function of each organelle or each part of the cell. Let's start with the first one, the cell wall. It's the wall that surrounds the plant cell from outside. So this wall only found in the plant cell and doesn't found in the animal cell. Its function: it supports the plant cell and gives it a definite shape. Number 2, the plasma or cell membrane. It's the membrane. It's the cover that surrounds the cytoplasm. Its function: it controls the substances that enter or leaves the cell. Control the substances that enter, like food or oxygen that enter to the cell, or wastes and carbon dioxide that leaves the cell. Number 3, the cytoplasm. It's the fluid. Fluid means liquid. It's the fluid that fills the cell, and all the cell components are suspended in it. Its function: all the biological operations of the cell occur in it. All those biological operations like digestion or reproduction or excretion or respirations, all those operations occur or happen in the cytoplasm, but differentiate between the function of cytoplasm and the function of nucleus. Because the function of the nucleus, it organizes those biological operations inside the cell. So the nucleus organizes the biological operations, but the biological operations happen in the cytoplasm. And the nucleus is responsible for the cell division. And the cell division means that the cell divided into small parts. As we know, number 5, the green plastids or the chloroplasts. Green plastids or chloroplasts, they are responsible for making the food by the photosynthesis process. As we know that the plants can't eat, but they need energy. So it absorbs the sunlight and carbon dioxide from the air, and absorbs water and some minerals from the soil to make its own food by helping the chloroplasts. The last one, the vacuole. No need to know the function or definition of it. Just for your information, it's the store of the cell. As we said, the animal cell, it consists of 4